Nisha, a senior software engineer, approaches the ICC with a written complaint. She alleges that Ravi, her team lead, has been making inappropriate comments about her attire during team meetings. Feeling uncomfortable and belittled, Nisha seeks the ICC's help to address the issue discreetly, fearing retaliation or damage to her reputation. Ms. Priya Sharma, the chairperson of the ICC, acknowledges the receipt of the complaint and reassures Nisha that her concerns will be handled with utmost confidentiality and professionalism. Ravi is notified about the complaint against him in a non-accusatory manner. He is given a copy of the complaint and an opportunity to provide his written response, ensuring that his perspective is also heard. During the inquiry, Nisha and Ravi are interviewed separately, and witnesses who attended the meetings in question are also interviewed. Evidence, such as meeting recordings and emails, is collected and analyzed to corroborate the claims. Both parties are given access to support services, including counseling, to minimize emotional distress. The ICC ensures that no adverse action is taken against either party during the investigation. After thorough deliberations, the ICC prepares a detailed report. It concludes that Ravi's comments, while not overtly malicious, breached the company's code of conduct. Recommendations include a formal apology from Ravi, sensitivity training for the entire team, and the introduction of stricter workplace communication guidelines.